Let's talk about how to add a course to your plan. First, click on Student Planning. From here, click on Go to My Progress. My Progress lists courses you need to complete to earn your degree. Your plan automatically updates when courses are completed, planned, or added. As you can see here, this section displays your major and information about that program. If you scroll down the page, you'll see the various requirements for this major, as well as what you have completed, planned, and have yet to plan. Let's take a look at the course progression for our music therapy major. Click on Load Sample Course Plan, where you can select one of the majors you have declared or choose a different program to see its degree requirements. For now, we'll select Fall 2019 and Music Therapy as our major. Click Preview Plan. From here, scroll down to view the recommended progression for this major. Click Load to add the recommended courses for this major to your plan. You'll arrive at the starting term for your enrolled program. You can click through the remaining semesters and take a look at the classes that have been planned for you in your major. You have not been registered for these classes yet, but it does let you know when you should take certain classes. You can remove courses one by clicking the blue X next to the course. But let's go ahead and remove all courses from our Fall 2020 plan. As you can see, we no longer have any classes planned for Fall 2020. Let's go to My Progress to see if anything changed. You will see that World Arts and Ideas 1 no longer has a status of planned. We can change this by clicking on the course and then clicking Add Course to Plan. Select the semester you want to plan the class for. You can now see that ADAH 100 has been added to your plan. Let's go back to My Progress to look at this class again. Now, the status once again shows that this course has been planned.